Yes, good evening, everyone, students. Today we'll be studying about the CSS attributes, okay? That will be handled by Kruthi. So I'll just hand over the session to Kruthi now. Kruthi, you can take over, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. See, you should be active in class, okay? How are you all?
Fine, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, can anyone summarize the previous class? What you have learned about? Yeah, Diksha.
Yeah, in the last class,
So,
so in the last class, we learned about the pseudo elements and pseudo element selectors, and we learned about how to select only the first line and style it first letter, and how to add content before an element, and how to add content after an element. And we also learned to how to use the marker and selection. Yeah.
Yeah, that what we have. This was what we have learned, and thank you, Diksha. So, we have learned various types of categories in CSS, right? So, Nehan, can you tell what are the categories you learned? Nehan, okay. Nimisha, anyone ready to tell what are the categories you learned? You have already learned 4 categories in CSS. Yeah, okay, they can continue. Diksha, you can continue.
Yeah, so we learned mainly about the in CSS, we learned the four selectors, and we learned about the select the element by tag name, and we learned about the select the element by yeah we
Yeah, you
learned
can continue.
about the simple selectors, combinator selectors, and pseudo selectors, and pseudo element selectors, and attribute selectors is remaining.
Yeah. So in today's class, we are going to learn about attribute selectors. I want anyone to tell, do you have any idea that what is attribute selectors?
No.
Okay, today I'll teach you about the attribute selectors. Just a second, I'll share my screen. So my screen is visible, right? Is my screen visible?
No.
no,
No. Okay, just a second.
No, dear, it's just blank.
Yeah, now can you see?
No.
no,
No.
See, is there a network
Please
issue there?
wait for a minute.
If it is,
No. Ma'am, it's showing it's
Now,
loading.
yeah, now it's coming. Maybe we have to
It's
wait for some
visible, right?
time.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's visible now.
yeah. So today we are going to study about attribute selectors. So attribute selectors means you have already learned a few HTML elements, right? So using attribute selectors, you can style the HTML element with the specific attribute or attribute values. So you may not know what is attribute and attribute value now. After looking at this example, you'll come to know. So you know various HTML elements, right?
Yeah.
HTML tags like
Yeah.
HTML head body. So for those HTML elements, you can style those HTML elements with the attributes and attributes values. Here you can see the example. The first name and brackets input is equal to text. Here it is given that we can style HTML elements that have specific attribute. In this example, the attribute is type and the attribute value is text. Did you get? Please respond.
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, okay. Attribute selectors are mainly used to style HTML elements which have a specific attributes and attributes value. So attributes mean in this example, we have input type is equal to text. Here, the type is considered as attribute and the text is considered as an attribute value. Did you get now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, if we have to style these like this HTML element, we need to do some more coding. So it's like input type is equal to text with the curved brackets. We have to give background color yellow. Not only background colors, we can do some other things also like font color or borders. Anything we can give anything. So the next is button. Here we have input type is equal to button, value is equal to submit. So we have to style the button now. So input type, here type is the attribute and button is the value. So to style the button, we have to open the curved brackets and background color and we have to give a desired color that we want. So shall we work in the VS Code once?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we have to do first? We have to create a folder, right? So anyone please guide me to create a folder.
Click on Rise Mode button.
Yeah,
Click on New.
yeah,
Then click on Folder.
yeah, okay. We got the folder. We can name it as CSS. We have now created the folder. Now we can work in VS Code. So now we have to link the CSS folder here. How we can do that? Anyone?
You can click on the file
Yeah,
and click on open folder and search the folder name.
yeah. We have saved our folder in the desktop. See CSS. We can click on that and select folder. Yeah. Now we have linked our CSS folder with the VS Code. We have to create one more file under CSS. So we can click on new file and give demo.html. now we can write the code for our VA. So what will you do first? What tag will you give first?
HTML.
What is the HTML?
Kruthi, 1 second. So all the students,
Yes.
please turn on your video. So if you're not able to respond to the class, you may leave the class. All of you turn on your video first. Kruthi, turn on your video. Dishar, Gagan Gowda, Ganvi, Nimisha, Sanvi, MR, Anush. So please respond in the class. Okay, Kruthi, continue.
Yeah. So the first tag we use is HTML. What is the next one?
Head.
Yeah, head. Yeah, next.
Title.
Title. So what title can we give? We can give as attribute selectors. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Next.
Body.
Just a second. There is a spelling mistake. Yeah. Next we give body. Yeah. Here in the body, we can take a form which will be in the type like first name and submit button. Like you may be seeing the online forms. So in that you'll be having the first name and the place to write your name and the submit button. So we can use that now. So first in the form we'll notice the label, right? We can give label. So after this label, we need the next one in the next line. So we can give the tag break. So after label, we'll give input. The next two steps are what we have seen in the example. So this is how the form will be, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. If we have to style this form now, what we can do?
Open a new folder. New file.
Yeah. So what is the name that we can give? Let us give demo.css. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have opened a new file now. So what we have to do here? Do you know the steps like how to style? Okay, I'll tell you now. For first, you have to take the input. Next, the square brackets. Next, you need to open the brackets. Yeah. What style we can give for our text?
Color.
Shall we go with the background color?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Color. Shall we give?
Font style.
No, you can tell the background color first. Next, we'll go with the font style.
Aqua.
Blue color.
Uh, Not getting the color. Yeah. Now, shall we see? Does our code work?
Yes.
Yeah. We'll open our CSS folder. See, we are not getting it. Do you know the reason?
We didn't
Actually, the demo
see
text.
Not save.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
We didn't link the CSS file to the HTML file.
Yeah, that is the problem here. We did not link the HTML file with the CSS file. So how we can do that?
by using link rel.
Yeah. Yeah. Can anyone please tell the tag?
Open bracket link rel.
We use is equal to. We can give in a style sheet. So we are linking these demo file demo.css file. So we can give the name now demo.css. So now we can check. We can save first. And check. No, still we are getting the same. Now we are getting. Oh, but we are not getting the background color, right? I'll change the color. Still we are not getting. Uh, can anyone find any mistake in the code?
Yeah, you take out the background color whole line. In the demo CSS file. Yeah, that line. Give space
Yeah.
between give space after type.
Okay.
There, before text.
Yeah.
Yeah, you write. Yeah, there.
So here we have to write the background color.
Yeah. If you write half, then it will be displaying the background. The below, you write below. Below, I mean below. The first time where you wrote there itself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not there. Below itself. The first time where you wrote there only.
In the second line,
Okay.
Kruti,
Second line.
where you
Yeah.
wrote first, no? There are.
So okay. Now shall we save and see? Yeah, I have saved. No, but it's not working. We'll do one more code and check. See, the problem here is we did not give the equal sign.
And one more thing is after red, you have to close the colon here. Type is equal to text. Then background
It's in
color.
the next line. Ma'am, it's a line.
Ma'am, semicolon.
Semicolon. Yeah, that's what. After red and after blue, you have to close with the semicolon.
Once we can check.
Kruti, a background color colon
Mhm.
red you have given, no? After that, you have to close with the semicolon. That's CSS file.
Background color. Is it correct now, ma'am?
Not there, dear. Go to CSS file, demo.css.
Ma'am, it's in that itself.
Yeah. After that, like that, yes. After red also, you just give semicolon. Now you run and check.
Yes. No, but still we are not getting. Let us do once more. I'll delete it. We'll see. No. Okay. Anyone using the laptop? So I'll check the demo.html.
Not getting Kruti?
Ma'am, in the code.
Yes. You're rewriting the code.
In the code from the
Your voice is breaking, dear.
I'm creating the from here.
Okay, you're doing it again. Okay, we do it.
Now got see. Everyone can see now.
both your audio and the video is lagging.
Just a second. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see my screen,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So now we got the output for our VS Code. You can see it, we got the aqua color and the brown color for our output. So shall we try with the font style?
Yeah.
Yeah. So font style do you want? One. First we can play the style. Save it. Yeah. Did you see the changes? The first we were having different font style and now we are having the different one.
Again, the video and audio is not there.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm having some network issues. I'm sharing my screen now. Uh, now can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Did you notice the changes in this font style? Let us do it once more. See now, give any font style to our code. Now we can first see how it looks. It's like this, and when we give the font style, it changes. We'll save. Yeah, can you observe the changes? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you observe the changes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Next we can try with font size. So we can give larger. Here and medium. We'll save it. Uh, yeah, can you guys see the changes?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay. So next overall view. Anyone can please suggest me what style shall we do next?
Students, you have to reply for whatever she asks or she says. Only I can see Diksha and the Gagan is asking for the.
If you go with text,
Kruthi, is there network issue? Can't hear anything, dear. It's blank.
sorry, I'm having some network issues.
Okay, you are still having anything to teach, dear?
No, ma'am, this is for today it's complete.
Today it's complete. And dear students, you have to reply whenever it is asked. Okay, you have to be active in the class, not like simply listening and sitting. Only I can see Diksha is active in the class and Gagan. What about others then? At least if you have any doubt, you have to raise your hand and ask. Those things you have to do. If you're simply listening and just going out, it doesn't work out, right? So next class, if you're not replying, I'll be going to remove it. And sir told, switch on the videos. Nobody's video is on now. I can see it. Why did he say that? I know many people, what you people will do, you'll just switch on it and you will just go out. Don't do that, please. Okay, this is what you can learn now. This is the age to learn, so everybody should be active in the class from next classes, okay? Okay, Kruti, you carry on.
So this is what we have learned today. Do you have any doubts in this?
No.
No.
Okay.
No.
Everyone are clear with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you have any questions, you can ask me now.
Give an assignment for the next week, dear.
Yeah, the assignment is what I have done now, the same thing. You have to create some codings in the VS Code using the form type.
Ma'am,
You understood, right?
ma'am,
Yes, Gagan.
ma'am, I cannot share that because
Okay,
in my
no issues. You
laptop.
can show it to me in the class. That is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, did you understand what is the assignment?
Yeah. It again.
Yeah, the assignment is with the same example what we have done now in the VS Code. You have to use the same codes using different type. You have to use different types of styles. You have to create a form type a document like file. Yeah, did you get?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you have no doubts, then you can leave the class now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. See you all in the next class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kruthi.
Thank you, ma'am.